So today's video is similar but different to ones that I have done in the past. As most of you know, I have been getting the Miss to Mrs. boxes sent to my house before our wedding, but I actually sold everything in my last Miss to Mrs. box as a whole. And as I put it on Facebook Marketplace, people were like, hey, I canceled my subscription and I got the ring boxes. So I decided to give this one a shot. I did not unsubscribe from the Miss to Mrs. box. I only have like 2 boxes left, but I did do an additional subscribe to the ring boxes. So this one's a little bit different. It's not a like however many boxes until your date. This one is a monthly subscription box. You can do a monthly one, or you can do a 12, 9, 6, and 3 month. 3 months would have only gotten me through June, so I actually did the 6, so I'll be getting some after we get married in August, which is a little bit different, but I don't know what's in these boxes. So without extending this any further, I do not have any to link below since this is my first one. If you want to see previous ones, I do have the Miss to Mrs. boxes you can check out on my channel as well. But I'm excited to dig into this one. I've heard these ones are great, so let's take a look inside of them. So the first thing in the first ring box is this Bride stainless steel tumbler. It's a nice, like I said, stainless steel tumbler. Really good for water, I'm assuming, or other drinks, whatever you want to have out of it. It has the nice airtight seal on top. I can give you a close-up of it real quick, but I mean, it's just a stainless steel tumbler, so I'll show you a close-up of it. So here is the stainless steel tumbler. I love the black on white. I think it looks really nice. It's airtight. It has the nice little like seal on it, so I think it's gonna be nice for water, and it's not very big. So the first thing in your ring box is this Bride stainless steel tumbler. So the second thing in this ring box is this Bride baseball cap. I really hate hats when they come in subscription boxes or if I get them from somewhere because my head is so big that they usually don't fit. It is adjustable on the back. It's this really nice kind of like grayish color, which I like too. Again, like with the tumbler, it's not the normal weight, so I don't dislike that at all. I'll try it on. We'll see if people with big heads can actually wear this. It's already too small. Yeah, it's too shallow. But it's cute. I really like it. I'll show you guys a close-up of it with the Bride on it. I wish it fit a little bit better. Big, huge head. It looks like a baby cap on my head. So here is the Bride hat. Like I said, it's probably a similar, if not the same, script as what's on the tumbler, and I really wish it fit my head because it is very cute. So the second thing in your ring box is this gray Bride baseball cap, and I hope it fits your head better than mine. Okay, these are super cute. I'm gonna have to get these out to show you. But the third thing in your ring box is this future Wifey sock set. You know, like when they were really popular for a while, I don't know if they still are, but when you sit down, you have your feet up and it says it on the bottom of your feet, that's what these are. So we'll take them out of the packaging and I will show you guys them. I'm gonna put them on my hands. I don't feel like putting them on my feet. Future Wifey, super cute. I'll show you guys a close-up of these. They have a cute little just like pink band around like where the ankle part of it is too, which is adorable. So I'll show you guys a close-up of these. There you go, Future Wifey socks on the bottom. I'm gonna pull them off so you can see, but they have the white heel and the white toe, as well as, like I said, the pink band around the top. So look at how cute those are. I love these. So the third thing in your ring box is these future Wifey socks that are adorable. You could wear these after. Nobody has to see the bottom of them. Okay, these are the cutest things ever. They came in just a plain old ring box, so I had to open them up, but they're Mrs. earrings, like studs that you can wear. These are so adorable. I was looking for these because I thought Kate Spade actually made a pair of them, and they don't. Side note, I love that I got them in this box. So I will show you guys a close-up of these. Here are the earrings. Look at how cute those are. I am so excited to wear them. Like I said, they are yellow gold, so they're not white gold. But how fun are these gonna be to wear? I am super excited. So the fourth thing in this ring box are these Mrs. yellow gold studs. So the fifth thing in this box is the Bride Tassel keychain. It is that kind of like leather pleather feeling tassel, and then it says Bride on like a little tag right here, and it has this big gold clamp, whatever you want to call it. For those of you that have keys and have to put them in an ignition, this would be super cute and a cute addition to it, so I'll show you guys a close-up. Here is the Bride keychain. It is really nice. It's also yellow gold like the earrings were. Comes with the bride tag plus the tassel and the big clasp for it, and it also has the jump ring. So any way you'd like to put on your keys or on anything, even like a bag or a purse, doesn't necessarily have to be your keys. So the fifth thing in this ring box is this bride tassel keychain. And the last thing in this ring box is this bride t-shirt. It's a cute v-neck. I will take it out of the packaging so you can see it. They asked for your size, it's a medium. Exactly my size. So I'll take it out of here so you guys can see what it looks like. So there is the bride t-shirt. Like I said, it's in pink. It's a v-neck. Looks really comfortable. I think once it's washed it'll be a little bit more soft too. But it's kind of a cool shirt even if you just want to wear it around the house or to bed or whatever. So the last thing in the ring box, your very first one, is this bride v-neck t-shirt. So that is everything that comes in the very first ring box. I don't know if it's the same for everyone, but this is what I got first. I'm assuming so. They probably have some sort of rhyme or reason to it, but if I was to compare this to the Miss to Mrs. box, I don't know if I can say if one's better than the other. This one had a lot of really cute stuff in it that you can wear and use. Even like the Mrs. earrings, like you can wear those after you get married, you're still a Mrs. Like I said, these are on different plans depending on how many months you would like to get it for. I did the 6-month plan, I think it's like 35 bucks a month, and I got my first one for half off, I think it was, is what's going on right now. I will link below the URL, the link, whatever, so you can go to it yourself and if you would like to subscribe. Like I said, I'm getting these monthly, so there should be another one coming soon, if not next month sometime. So thank you so much for watching. I will keep unboxing these as they come. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, feel free to like, comment, or subscribe below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.